To turn on the solar-powered LED light, bend the 3 metal prongs back and lift the solar pack out of the top. Click the power button to turn on. Once charged, the solar panel will either detect light and stay off or detect an absence of light and turn on. This lantern also has a hinge mechanism at the bottom and can swing open. If additional light is desired than provided by the solar LED, open the bottom hinge and insert an outdoor electric candle. Outdoor electric candles can be purchased separately at touchofglass.com.